Morning, my friend. We're ready today for do a boarding for 94, and somebody do the boarding here, but it's wrong. So I have to make it the same, or the specification for 94 bore. That's the cylinder. We go check it out for use it for do the boarding, and stay tuned. Well, my friends, one is done. I will show you. See, really tight, but with a good play and plays. I'm sorry. Big difference. Blue Bear Performance. 954-415-8070. Stay tuned. So guys, we got the second one. You see it's different. That one is very complicated to do it. You never do that. Don't try doing your home because it can catch you fire. This is magnesium and it's very hard to shut off the fire. Okay, stay tuned.